Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Active Trader in Thinkorswim. This dynamic tool is designed for fast order entry and management, especially useful for active day traders. You can easily add the Active Trader gadget to your platform by clicking the plus sign on the left sidebar and selecting it from the list. It provides a clear, real-time view of market depth. Placing orders with Active Trader is incredibly efficient. To place a market order, simply click on the bid price to sell or the ask price to buy. For limit orders, click directly on the price ladder at your desired entry or exit point. Remember to adjust your order quantity using the dedicated selector before executing your trade. This streamlined process saves valuable seconds. Managing your open trades is just as simple. You can modify a pending limit order by dragging it up or down the price ladder to a new price level. To cancel an order, simply click the X next to it. Active Trader also provides a clear view of your current positions, including your average entry price and real-time profit or loss, helping you stay informed. Customizing your Active Trader interface can significantly enhance your trading experience. You can add or remove columns to display data like volume, bid size, or ask size, tailoring it to your specific needs. Don't forget to save your customized layout so it loads automatically. Exploring hotkeys can also provide an extra layer of speed and efficiency for advanced users.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.